Good morning, everyone. Joe with JLF Ranches and Outdoors. This morning we got a pretty good project going on. It's a Massey Ferguson 1749. Complaint is a four-wheel drive does not work. I went out to the machine, troubleshot it, found that if you slide the front drive shaft towards the rear of the machine, it will engage and work, but as soon as the drive shaft slides to the back towards the front, it doesn't work. So we're gonna go ahead and start with removing the axle and whatnot. I got it hauled to my shop, save customers some money on travel back and forth. But we're gonna go ahead and start with removing the axle and whatnot, and then pull those splines out on the shaft and see what happens. So join us along. First things first, we're gonna remove the two hydraulic lines that connect to the steering cylinder. Once we get those out, then we'll work on taking the bottom bolts out of the out of the front axle, drop it down with the floor jack and roll it back. All right, we got the two steering lines off right here. And go down in there, kind of pain to reach. Can't really see them with the camera. Now we'll work on getting the bottom bolts taken out. Lo and behold, we have found the problem. Those splines are worn completely down. Same thing with the coupler up here. They're completely worn. So we'll work on getting that shaft out and whatnot. Make sure there's no other splines jacked up further down, and go from there. When we get it out, we'll get you a better close-up. All right, there's your close-up. It's hard to see, but those splines are shot. But as you can see, those splines are shot too. there you go. So Massey Ferguson 1749, they said no four-wheel drive. And of course you saw what we found. The drive shaft was stripped out on the spline, so was the coupler. Courtesy of AGCO, it took a little bit to get the parts. Anyways, got it all back together. Everything works. Got the bucket hooked back up. So we're done. We're gonna put it on a trailer and deliver it to the customer so he can have his equipment back. Anyways, y'all have a nice one. We'll see y'all in the next one. As always, click that subscribe button if you like what you see. If you got any questions and whatnot, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll answer best I can, and we'll go from there.